Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing a Jeep JL cargo light into my Jeep JL UR. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So there is quite a few kinds of lights that you could stick in this area or here. The one I got is from Amazon. I'll show it shortly. There is a cheaper strip that you can run across here, but I just didn't want something with adhesive and it just falling apart in the middle of the trail. The one light that I got that I will show shortly has lights right here, has some ambers flashing in the back. So when you are on the side of the road, people will be able to see you, or if you're at a campsite, you know, people will be able to see where you're at. And there's also light up in the front right here, so you could see here in your little area here, and then also facing backwards. So let's go ahead and test out this light and I'll be able to show you what it looks like. So if you haven't yet, I will put it right here showing right now of how to switch your fuse. So this back portion always has power. Let me put that for you guys right now. So you're gonna want to remove this fuse cover. I'm not sure if I'll be able to take it off with one hand. There we go. Sorry, had to look real quick. So anyways, here it is. It's going to be right here, F43 and 45. So pretty much it's going to be this 20 amp fuse right here. So pretty much you're going to want to move it forward. There's another pin right there, so you can move it just like that. So going this way is going to be continuous power, regardless if the key is on or not. This is going to be only ignition power, so you have to have the ignition on to have power to the back. So, but I have it in the continuous power, so regardless if the Jeep is off, I'll still have power. So let's go ahead and go back to the installation. So like with anything, you want to go ahead and test it first. So we went ahead and plugged it in. Like I said, we got this on continuous power, and right here in the front you can see that we have two lights. The red light is going to be for the amber caution flashers, and that's actually really bright. See what happens when you click it again. I guess it's just pretty much on off for that. And then for the front one, the white one, we will have front cargo, and we will have light for pretty much right here. So coming straight down into the cargo area. So let's go ahead and get this installed now that we know that it works, and see how well it works in the dark. Okay, so we are going to remove these two T15s. They are actually hand tight, surprisingly, so you don't have to go really forceful with them. I would just use your hands, to be honest with you. I mean, you could use an electric drill if you want. So I actually did end up using a extension with a ratchet to tighten it up. They did come with longer bolts for this side, for the pretty much the driver's side, because it is a little bit longer. This one I used a stock bolt, so it is secure. I'm working on getting the wiring attached real quick, and then we're gonna go test it. So this is how I have it wired up so far. Just kind of, I ran a towel through it, just kind of clean up some of the dust, and then I just stuck these on there to stick the wire. Ran it across here, used the two zip ties that it came with, and then I just gotta find how I'm gonna run the rest of this, but it's good enough to test. So let's go ahead and get this thing tested so you guys can see what it looks like in the dark. So I'm gonna say I'm about 20 feet away in a dark parking lot. Obviously it looks a little bit brighter because I do have an iPhone and they kind of adjust to the outside light. But yeah, I'm gonna say that's pretty bright. So far so good. Haven't really tested it while I was camping, or I haven't been camping with it so far, but it is pretty bright. Like I said, you go ahead and turn this off so you don't have that flashing, and then you pretty much have like a good wide amount of light in the middle. So if you're cooking, I'm going to be installing a table into my channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also a bunch of other stuff, and you have a great light right here in the front, so it faces right here. So just say like you're broken down on the, you know,
on the trail, you got like a little area to kind of repair your stuff, so you kind of see while you're repairing it, you know, just in case, you know. I'm just throwing out some examples out there, but, or I mean, just even be able to see the cargo area. So yeah, great light. So anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.